Right, welcome back to Nugget Garage. This time we decided we're going to show you a little bit of the ute. We've seen it in the background a couple of times. It was actually finished to one point where it actually got rego put on it, and now it isn't. It was running, Scott got it on the dyno, and then stuff happened.
So basically, first time I got it up to running temperature, it started acting like it had a cracked piston or blown head gasket or something. We found the thermostat was actually putting upside down, so not sure what the last guy was thinking there. That probably didn't help. So all the bores are scuffed, so the pistons have been rubbing in the bore for some reason, so it's obviously been hot. No biggie really, we've got another bullet, we'll just clean this up and chuck that in, go again. Really wanted to put ARP rod bolts and a few other things, valve springs, in a 1J anyway, because I want to try and push this thing pretty hard on stock parts, see what it can do.
Going to run it with stock cams too, yeah?
Stock cams.
Stock cams, so got some overnight parts from Gollabies.
10s is a goal. We're going to try and run this Roadtrip event in 2 weeks. Nothing like trying to 2 weeks, yeah. They have a Class G, which is a 140 treadwear tyre class. So you've got to run sort of a Toyota R888 or a Federal or something that is a normal street tyre. So we're going to try and do it with this because it's got a little turbo and we should be able to pretty well control the launch boost. It's got 411 gears in it. The Roadtrip's only 1/8 mile away, so
A whole lot of it, isn't it?
a whole lot's 1/8 mile.
So that'll be alright.
And the
Highway cruising might be fun.
final round is at Lakeside, which is an unprepped road. So we're going to try and figure out how to get the power down. I bought a second-hand PCS dash off a mate of mine, and that'll let me do a couple of PWM controls, based on TBS and road speed and a few other things. So we're going to try and use that to control the boost pressure. It's rear wheel speed though, so it's probably not much use, but we'll see how we go.
If not, we'll just do skids, right?
You'll definitely do skids.
We'll do skids.
All right, let's get into it.
No, it's belt. I dropped coolant on it when we changed the rear housing on the turbo. Ew.
This has got a pass-through cable, so at the moment the dial's going to the dash, and I press that, it goes to the computer. So all I do is plug into the dash.
Oh wow. On your way there? And a fuel pump. What's that, 30 pound?
Yeah, we're not getting one-to-one with the regulator in, so we'll have to turn the boost down.
Turn it down a bit. Thousands in it.
Yeah, something like that.
Wouldn't be out of injector then. Same as the van's got an injector in. With a more boost.
Oh no, injection time's 18 milliseconds. It's a lot.
Running 472, running out of fuel system, so we backed it off a bit, make it a bit safe. So that's the number we'll run at.